Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Today we have a speaking test. What is your name?
Yeah.
What is your name? My
My
name?
name is Cindy.
Cindy, how are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. Look at this picture. They are at the beach. The boy is fishing. Now, my first question for you is that, what is the boy doing? The boy is
Swim.
swimming. All right, so can you run, Cindy? Yes or no?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so how many fish are there? Okay, are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
All right, let's proceed for this one. What animal is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. All right. What word starts with letter F?
Fool.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. What can the kangaroo do?
Jump.
It can
Jump.
jump. Perfect. What are they?
Insect.
Okay, how many insects are there?
3.
3. Perfect. Now, do you have sisters, Cindy? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so Peter is at the shop. There are many fruits, my dear. Can you show me where is the banana? All right, there you go. Now, how many pairs do you see? How many pairs? You say?
3.
3 pairs. Okay, what is the boy doing? The boy is? You say eating.
Insect.
Okay, Cindy, just focus on the question. Now, are there 4 boys? Are there 4 boys? Sorry. Are there 4 cakes in the picture?
No.
Okay, now how does she feel?
Happy.
She's happy. Now, what food do you like, Cindy? I like?
I
What food do you like? You like banana, apple, orange? I like?
like apple.
You like apple. All right, how many oranges do you see? I see?
One.
All right, so that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.